Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share the nighttime routine with my toddler, like what all things I do before I go to bed. So I always start by cleaning my kitchen first. It's Sunday, so the work is little less, but almost काम का जो routine है वो ऐसे ही होता है. So I always start my cleaning with my kitchen. So here I'm cleaning the countertop. I'm keeping all the utensils back in their respective places. So at last I always boil the milk. This is my haul. It's quite disorganized, but it will hardly take 15 to 20 minutes to reorganize it back. So the one thing which I always try to do while I'm cleaning or organizing my home is I always involve my kid so that he can also learn some good manners. This is something which I always try to make him learn so that he can keep his area or his room or his environment neat and clean all the time. So right here, I'm just keeping things back in their respective places. I am not dusting or cleaning anything. This is something which I always try to do before I go to bed so that my mornings are quite hassle-free when I go to work. Here we are organizing all of his books. We are keeping them back in the basket, and then I'm going to keep this basket on the table. And meanwhile, this kid is helping me out organizing all the cushions back in their respective places. And this is how all the things are back in their places. So this is something which I never miss. I always choose his outfit which he's going to wear tomorrow for the school. Because in morning I don't have that much time to select what he's going to wear. So I take out in the night only. And then in this basket I organize his innerwears, his t-shirt, jeans, towels, etc. And at the same time, I take out his nightwears also. So at last, I'm going to prepare the milk for my husband and for my son. And after I prepare the milk, I just switch off the lights of my hall and kitchen. And that means mom is not going to work anymore in the kitchen. So you guys might have noticed that while I'm in the kitchen, I never allow my son to come here and stand here. So उस time पर he's playing with his dada.
Try करो.
So bedroom is always the last in my list to clean it out. So here I am in my bedroom to clean it, and my son Vedart, he's again helping me out arranging pillows on the bed and just folding clothes and everything. So we have organized our bed, we have cleaned the bedroom. Then I take him straight to the bathroom so that he can take shower. And while he's taking shower, I always take out the outfit which I'm going to wear next day. And at the same time, I take out my nightwear also because I'm also going to take bath. So this is my nightwear. Veda, take bath. Wow. See Veda, what are you doing? Taking bath? Veda, Veda, hi कर दो. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys कर दो अच्छा से. Wow. So here I'm just wiping him. So in night I only apply the face cream, which is the rich cream from Kiko, and then I will make him wear his nightwears. So this is my favorite time. वो इसलिए जब भी मैं इसको रेडी करती हूँ, हम कहीं जाते हैं इसके स्कूल के लिए या सोने के लिए, ये इतने क्वेश्चंस पूछता है. He just kept on asking so many questions. Mama, what is this pattern on my pajama? Why I can't wear diapers in the school? Why you are making me wear diapers in the night only? What is this? Why I can't see iPad? I want to see this. So this is my favorite time. And if you also have something like this with your kid, just comment down below and let me know what is your favorite time with your child. So finally he is watching his rhymes, so this is my me time. So here I'm taking my face wash, which is from Bioderma. I'm just cleaning my face. I do not have a very fancy skincare routine for night because I have a toddler, so I do not have that much time. So I just remove all the makeup from my face and then I clean my face with this face wash. And then I brush my teeth. And after I brush my teeth, I always take showers in the night also because it's summertime. So like I always take showers in the night. After I take shower, I always take out my aloe vera gel, which I apply on my hands and also on my armpits. So I just take a pump and then I apply it evenly on both my armpits. And this is the Spa Wake facial serum, which I just take out 3 pumps and then I apply it on my face every night. And here I'm taking the comb. I always try to brush my hairs before I go to bed because it's a very healthy and a good thing for your blood circulation. So I always comb my hairs. Here I'm taking my Olay under eye cream, which here I'm applying it under my eyes and Vaseline on my lips. So this is a very simple skincare nighttime routine. क्या पढ़ रहे हो आप? What are you reading? Wow! This is polythene, green color. Silver. Say silver. White. White है, yes. This is white color. And what is this? Yellow. Yeah. So finally, after milk and playing a lot, this is the brush time for my son also. So here I'm just applying the toothpaste on the toothbrush. When I clean his teeth, I always try to give him a pea-sized toothpaste on his toothbrush so that he can also learn how to brush his teeth. And like this only, we always encourage him to do all of his work on his own so that he can learn all the daily basis things. And here he's cleaning his mouth, keeping his toothbrush back in the holder and cleaning his hands. So these are such great habits which I always encourage him to do. And it's finally the bedtime, so I'm just going to close the light so that I can make him sleep. This is my nighttime cleaning routine. Like this only, I clean my home every day before I go to sleep. My son, he has just slept, so I came here to end this video here only. And I really hope you guys like this video. If so, then please do subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and I will see you in my next one. Till then, be organized and bye bye.